Hey, this is Samantha at RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you a simple way to reheat your favourite pizza in the air fryer using both examples of the air fry basket and the air fry oven. We'll be showing you how we reheated Pizza Hut pizza. You can of course use any pizza you like, but we headed over to Pizza Hut, grabbed a pizza just so that we could show you how easy it is to reheat it in the air fryer. As well as this, we have more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com. From air fryer recipes to instant pot recipes to slow cooker recipes to soup maker recipes, plus bread maker recipes and many others. I recommend you head over there to check it out after watching this video and find your perfect recipe. It's just wonderful reheating a pizza in the air fryer. And let's say that you've ordered takeout, you've had your pizza delivered, and by the time it's got to you, it's no longer piping hot. You can simply open up your pizza, decide which ones to air fry, and then reheat. I'm actually going to go with this one because out of a few different ones that we got from Pizza Hut, that was the one that Dominic wanted. So I'm going to put this on first for Dominic. So then, it depends on the size of your air fryer. I could probably squeeze 2 into this air fryer basket, but you know, it's easier just to do 1. And how often do you end up reheating pizza because you had a pizza the night before and you didn't quite finish it? So by putting 1 in is fine, but you could probably fit in 2, and you can fit in obviously a lot more in the air fryer oven. So let's place the basket into the air fryer unit. So set the temperature for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and then the cook time for 4 minutes. Don't reduce that down to 3 minutes if you've got a thin crust, because they won't take as long. And it's baked. Wow. There you go, there's your pizza. Very, very hot to touch, which just shows that it's ready. It's piping hot and it's perfect. I mean, it's up to you how you like your pizza. I was always one that would microwave my leftover pizza in the tins and then serve it with some tomato ketchup or some mayonnaise. But you can have it just like that and save on washing up, serve it in a napkin, and then you don't have a plate to wash up. So now this is the thin crust pizza. What I did is I ordered a full margherita from Pizza Hut, asked for a thin crust so that I could show you how to reheat it in the air fryer. Do note that the air fryer is already preheated, so it really doesn't need long to reheat. So we're going to place it back in the air fryer unit. We're going to set the temperature to 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and then the cook time to just 3 minutes. And we've baked. And this is the thin pizza crust, all reheated. From touching it on the crust, you can tell that it's piping hot, and it's just perfect for serving. And this is the thin crust margherita that we reheated. I think my only complaint about it is that it's kind of screwed up a bit like that, and it's gone underneath as it's reheated because of the lightness of the cheese. But you know, apart from that, it's absolutely perfect. It's piping hot, it's quicker to reheat because it hasn't got a thick base on it, and you'll love reheating pizza in the air fryer. Well, the kids are home from school and they've chosen the pizza slices they would like warming up in the air fryer oven. Sophia has chosen the ham and pineapple, no surprise there then. And George has surprised me by choosing the one with pepper, pineapple, mushroom on, which I don't know why, because he doesn't even like peppers. But I think it was just the beautiful colours of it that had excited him. And those two near the top of the air fryer oven. So close your air fryer oven, and you want to set the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and the cook time all the way down to 4 minutes. Then we can check on the pizza and see if it needs any longer. And we've baked. Should we check on our pizza and see how it's doing? Okay, so I recommend that you use a tea towel or something similar. And whoa, that's hot. When you try and test something and it burns your hand, you know it's ready. So there you have it. Air fried frozen pizza. And I also wanted to show you just how many slices of pizza you can actually fit on one of these air fry oven trays. What? If you look, we've got 4 slices of pizza here. So you don't just have to do 2 at once or just 1. And if you think that you've got 2 or 3 shelves in your air fryer oven, so you could actually do a whole pizza reheat job in the air fryer oven. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.